Hey my loves, my name is Cherri and welcome to my beauty, fashion, and lifestyle channel. Today's video is going to be so much fun because I am officially starting my spring cleaning. Yay! I love spring cleaning because it gives me a chance to just go through all of my things, sort through it, declutter, get rid of things that I don't need, and buy new stuff. No. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying on all of my jeans. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm going to be extremely tired by the end of this video, but it has to be done, right? This is something that I do every single year. I like to try on all of my clothing. So this year I'm starting with jeans. Let's just get started. The first pair I have on, I've had them for about, I want to say 3 to 4 years, and they are by Forever 21, and they are like a mom jean. They have like these huge rips in the legs. Honestly, you know, they're a little tight in the waistline, but I just love these jeans so much. I like to wear them in the summertime, and you know, this year I feel like Crocs and Birkenstocks, they're going to be really in. So imagine these jeans with like maybe a nice white t-shirt, some white Birkenstocks, a cute little clear bag, maybe even like a baseball cap, braids. We're ready to go, okay? We can go anywhere with that outfit on. So yeah, I'm not getting rid of these jeans. I don't have any jeans similar to them, so they're a keep. Now these jeans are very unique, right? They are medium, light wash, just depending on where you're looking. They're by the brand called 7, and I actually got these jeans from Century 21, and I don't think Century 21 is still in business, so I won't be able to link these jeans, but they're very comfortable, so I am going to keep them. I don't have anything like them, so I feel like these would be a keep. Now these jeans are by Zara, and I love them so much because one, the color is like this dark wash. I wouldn't even call it like a dark wash denim. It's like in between medium and dark. It's like a really nice, I guess, indigo, not indigo, because indigo is a different kind of blue. I don't know what blue this is. I guess I don't know, but yeah, I love the blue jean color, but I also love how soft, and they are so stretchy. Like, these are the stretchiest jeans that I have, and I actually have them in a different wash as well. I'm going to keep both of them. I picked them up in the size US 8. I remember when I first purchased them, I got them in a 6, but the 6 was not going over these thighs, so I ended up I ended up returning them and getting a size 8, and look at that stretch. And I think they're only about $50. And who knows, they may even be on sale because Zara, they have like those spring sales or those sales in between each season. So go check these jeans out. Okay, so these jeans are by American Eagle, and these are their curvy jeans. I actually have a video showing all of my American Eagle curvy style jeans. I will link that video up in the cards above so you can check it out. But I actually really love these jeans to this day. I remember when they first came out, and I've been wearing them ever since. So I have a few here. I have 2 pairs of the black. I have this medium wash, and I have another pair which is more so like a light to medium wash, and I love them so much. Yeah, so I really have been wearing these jeans very often. I love me like a stretchy, soft, skinny jean. As you can see, they're like my go-to. I feel like the only jeans I've shown you so far are pretty much skinny jeans besides the first pair. But with the American Eagle curvy jeans, I do have them in black as well. After a few washes, they tend to kind of fade out, and that is what is going on with these. They're black, but you could tell they're kind of like fading out. So I don't like the look of fading black jeans. I want my jeans, if they're supposed to be black, I'm going to show you some black jeans that I have that are still relatively decent, but if they're supposed to be black, I want them to be black jeans. I don't want them to be fading at the crease, turning gray. No, that's not what I like. So both of these American Eagle curvy jeans are doing that. And I'm not blaming the fading on American Eagle. That actually happens with all of my black jeans, no matter what brand it is. It's just something that's going to happen. But yeah, both of the black jeans, I'm going to give these away because they're fading and I don't want to wear them. But I am going to keep the ones that I have on and these light wash ones as well. By the way, I buy them in a size 6 and they are a regular. Now these jeans are also the American Eagle curvy jeans, but they have like a flared bottom. I've actually never worn these. They still have the sticker on them, and these are actually a size 4 long. I don't know why I would get them. Actually, I think I got them in a long because I had plans on wearing them with like some heels. However, after trying them on, I'm not a fan of these because I just feel like I'm a little bit too hippie for these jeans. So I haven't worn them yet, but I do want to wear them at some point. I don't want like my hips to be the reason why I don't wear the jeans. I just have to figure out how I want to wear the jeans. Me personally, I am not buying jeans unless they're comfortable, unless they're stretchy, because I am more of a curvy girl, so I just need the stretch and the comfort. So, so I think I'm going to keep these jeans. If I don't wear them this year, I know I'm not going to wear them next year. So we're going to keep them for now. For now. Like I said earlier, I have an obsession with black jeans. So here are 3 more pairs of black jeans. The ones that I have on are by Levi's. I also have a pair of black jeans by Old Navy. These are the Rockstar black jeans in a size 6. Then I also have, remember I showed you the Zara jeans? I actually purchased them in 3 different denims. So this is more of like a washed out black. I purchased them already washed out. I kind of liked these because they give you like a gray black kind of vibe. So these I don't have to give away because they're washed out, because I've already purchased them washed out, if that makes sense. So I really like these, and they fit me just how the Zara jeans fit. So I'm going to keep those. As for the Old Navy ones, these black jeans are a little bit stiff and they're hard to get on. So I'm going to just give these away. I used to really love Old Navy's Rockstar jeans, but I think just by buying other pairs, other brand jeans, I found better, right? So I'm gonna give these away. They're not washed out or anything. I just really don't see myself putting them on. And as for the Levi's ones, these are actually my favorite. I like the way they fit. They're not too high in the waist. They're also not too low. They are comfortable and they're not washed out. So I'm keeping them. Now these jeans are by the brand called Lucky Brand jeans, and they are the Ava Skinny, and I got them in a size 6. So there's a funny story to these jeans. They did not come with these rips in the knees. I actually did this by bending down. They're a stretchy jeans, so I'm not really sure why they ripped. And when I ripped them, they were fairly new at the time, so I was just like, oh my gosh, do I continue wearing these ripped jeans, or do I try to return them, or I didn't know what to do. So I kind of just put them in my drawer and forgot about them. I've had them for like the past 2-3 years, and I've only worn them that one time. I'm also not a fan of this blue. This blue tends to fade on other fabrics. And then all of a sudden you're looking around like, where is this blue coming from? And then you realize it's your jeans. So I'm not exactly a fan of them. However, the Ava Skinnies by Lucky Brand, they're actually really, really comfortable. They are snug, they fit you nicely, they hug your curves nicely. They're not the cheapest, but I know Lucky Brand, sometimes they have like buy one get one half off, I think. So yeah, I think I'm going to just give these away. I know I'm not gonna wear them. They're ripped in the knees. I don't particularly like where the rips are. The ink fades on other fabrics, and I haven't worn them in 2-3 years, so what's the point? I'm going to give them away. I didn't even realize that I had another pair of the American Eagle curvy jeans. That's how much I really like these jeans. So I'm definitely going to keep these jeans. I love the fit, and I'm just realizing I don't have a variety of types of jeans. Like, a lot of my jeans are just skinny jeans. They all kind of fit similarly. So in the future, if I do buy more jeans, I need to make a mental note, like, no more skinny. Like, you gotta step out of that. Maybe buy some mom jeans, some boyfriend jeans, something other than skinny stretchy jeans. Now these jeans are by Old Navy. They are the Rockstar Super Stretchy jean in a size 6. I really like them because they have a button front, so it's kind of giving me a little bit of tummy control. They do have a rip in the knee, which is awesome. I like this kind of rip, not like the Lucky brand rip. I'm gonna keep these jeans. I actually wear them pretty often. I know last summer I wore them a few times, or last spring I wore them a few times before we went into lockdown, or it could have been after. Oh, it must have been 2 years ago. Wow, okay. Well, the Rockstar jeans are not really my favorite anymore, but these I actually really like, so I'm gonna keep them. So these two jeans are by Levi's. It's they're actually the same jean as the black Levi's I showed you. So when I like a particular type of jean, clearly I buy them in every wash. So I have these in the black wash, this light to medium wash, and then these I guess would be like a medium wash, but they have a brownish tint to them. And what are they called? These are the 7-11 skinny, and I buy them in a size 29. I really like them. I actually have worn these recently. They fit nice, they're comfortable. I'm gonna keep them because I wear them often, so it just makes sense, right? If you wear the item, you should keep it. And let's move on. I don't want to waste any more time. We're almost done. Okay, so these are overalls. I'm just gonna say they're a no. They're just not flattering, so I'm not gonna waste my time in showing these. They are by the brand called Dollhouse. They're in a size 7. They're just like poorly fitting. It's a no. It's just gonna be a no for me. Maybe they'll look nice on someone else. Okay, so this is a jean skirt. When I picked this up, it gave me like Beyonce early 2000s vibes. I'll insert a picture of her wearing like a jean skirt, and this is where I got the idea to buy this skirt. I picked it up like, I want to say it was 2 years ago, and I have not worn this skirt yet, but it has like this frayed top, frayed detailing, stitching on the side. The denim is actually not stretchy at all, so it is squeezing me to death. But I still kind of see myself wearing this. Ugh. I feel like this type of skirt is in right now. Is it? Or is it not? I don't know. I just wear what I want to wear. I want to keep it. Part of me is saying, get rid of it. Put it in this pile over here, the giveaway pile. But then the other part of me is like, you may just wear this again. Why not? Like, keep it, girl. So what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section. Should I keep this skirt or should I give it away? Please be on my side. Let me keep the skirt, please. Okay, you guys. So I have quite a few jeans that I am keeping, but it seems that I'm giving away about 4 pairs. Right, so that's not bad. My goal was 3 and I did it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and stay tuned because I will be trying on more clothes from my wardrobe, decluttering, cleaning up, spring cleaning, getting rid of stuff, right? Because I need to live a more minimalistic lifestyle. I came to that conclusion like 2 minutes ago. Why do I have 2 hands full of similar jeans? It just doesn't make any sense. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!